In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize conversations with Slack AI. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by lengthy Slack threads and are looking for a way to streamline your information gathering, you're in the right place. Slack's AI capabilities can be incredibly helpful, saving both time and effort. So let's get started with the process right from the beginning. First, you will want to head over to Slack. Open up your Slack application either on your desktop or through the web interface. Make sure that you're logged into the correct workspace where you want to use this feature. Having access to the right workspace is crucial because this is where your conversations live. Now, locate within your Slack channel the specific conversation or message that you want to summarize. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the message. You'll notice a set of icons appearing on the right side of the message, indicating additional actions that you can take. These icons usually provide options like replying in a thread, sharing, or reacting with an emoji. Next, we're going to access more detailed actions related to the message, which can be done by clicking on the More Actions icon. This icon typically resembles three vertical dots, and it's your gateway to a host of additional features associated with the selected message. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will pop up displaying several options. One of the options within this expanded menu is Summarize Message. This feature leverages Slack's AI to distill the key points from a potentially overwhelming thread. Click on Summarize Message to activate the summarization process. Slack's AI will work its magic, and in just a moment you'll receive a concise summary of the message or conversation. This summary provides you with the essence of the exchange, highlighting the most important parts without you having to sift through each line yourself. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you've managed to convert what could be a cumbersome amount of text into an easily digestible format. This feature is especially useful for those who need to stay informed on various topics but have limited time to deeply dive into each Slack thread. Remember, keeping conversations as succinct as possible not only saves you time, but ensures that everyone in the channel stays on the same page. The use of Slack's summarization can drastically reduce the time needed to extract valuable information from lengthy threads or discussions. It's a powerful tool designed to enhance productivity and efficiency. Now that you're familiar with the process, feel free to use this feature whenever you find yourself needing a quick summary of any Slack conversation. With practice, you'll find it to be a seamless addition to your routine workflow, helping you stay informed without getting bogged down by too much text. Thanks for watching, and happy summarizing.